The sweetness continues here on Cup of Joe. That's right, I have another sweet young lady joining me on set. Her name is Staci Bunbury. She is back and she's of Halo Desserts. And
Hi.
she is using Betty Crocker Sugar Cookie Mix.
Yes, I am.
So you're doing cookies.
Yeah, but we're gonna make cookies classy.
You're gonna make cookies classy.
That's right. So cookies are usually seen as a kid thing, right?
Right.
But what if you want to have a dinner party? You don't want to put too much effort into it. You still want something quick, easy, and fun. Well, we're going to use Betty Crocker's Sugar Cookie Mix.
And make cookies classy.
That's right.
You go, girl.
We're going to start with our Betty Crocker Sugar Cookie Mix.
Right.
And we've emptied it into this bowl here. And we're going to follow its sugar cookie directions to a T. So here we have our bowl, and we have our melted butter, and we have our egg.
So that was an entire Betty Crocker cookie mix in there.
Correct, it is.
Entire pack.
That's right.
Right.
And we are just going to combine this until it forms a dough. So now that our dough is completely combined, what we're going to do is flour our surface and roll it out and put it on our molds.
So that's cookies ready to be.
That's it. It's just so simple. And what we have here is our dish. And today I'm going to use half sphere molds. And I flip them upside down because we're going to create cookie cups.
Cookie cups.
Correct.
Right, we're making cookies classy with Betty Crocker. Right.
That's right.
Yeah.
So with a ring mold, we're just going to cut, remove, and place over our mold. And it's just so simple. Because what we're going to be making is cookie ornaments.
So it's cookie classy ornaments.
Yeah.
You're just not doing cookies here with this cookie buff.
Well, I did say we were going to do it
Yeah,
classy.
right, okay.
Right.
And so if you don't have one of these fancy molds, you can use
You could actually flip a cupcake tin and you can use those.
Right.
So we're going to take this and we're going to put it to chill, and when we come back we're going to bake it, and then you're going to see what we're going to do next.
Okay.
So it's been 15 minutes. Time to stick them in the oven. Okay, so now we're going to start on some sugar dough.
Right.
So in this pot we are going to put it on a high fire with a candy thermometer, and in here I have about 50 grams of glucose, a half cup of caster sugar, and 50 grams of water, and this is going to make some candy.
Right.
So we have to let this reach to temperature, which is about 260, and then we're going to drop it back down to about 220, and then we're going to be able to mold this.
So Staci, that's what you call
A sugar dome, yeah.
Sugar dome.
Right, so the process we went through is to bring us here, and this is the classy in our classy cookies.
What are we going to do now to make that and that come together?
Okay, so we're going to take our Betty Crocker cookies, our sugar cookies that have been formed in our dome like we saw earlier, and we are going to plate it. So here I just have some mousse, some chocolate mousse, peppermint mousse, and the great part about this sugar cookie dome, you can fill it with absolutely anything. So I'm just going to start by putting a base on Santa's little face here and anchoring down our cookie bowl.
Gotcha.
So then we're going to pipe our mousse, and now that we have that, you could decorate it however you like. So I have some sprinkles, and I even have these little marshmallows that I'm just going to place in here. So now we're going to put classy in the cookie. So I have some chocolate ganache that I melted down, and I am just going to rim the outside of our cookie. Carefully place our sugar dough.
Wow.
And then now I'm just going to lift, and I'm going to put some sprinkles around the edges to finish it off. Sprinkle it with some glitter, and that's that. It is an absolutely beautiful dessert.
Staci, that looks absolutely fantastic.
Thank you.
How do I eat it?
There's absolutely any way you can eat it.
I can break it down
Yes, you
however
can.
I choose to.
Or you can, make an encapsulated ornament and join two sides of the cookie and do the exact same thing.
Right, but it's just that it gives us this nice
this view of the
transparent-
inside.
Oh my goodness, I understand. Thank you very much, Staci.